To prepare the base or leveling pad for a retaining wall built with Anchor products, you'll need a shovel, aggregate or paver base, rake, tamper, garden hose, gloves, stakes, string, level, hammer, and optional filter fabric. Start by staking out the wall line, using a garden hose to establish the curves. Along this line, dig a trench at least 14 inches wide, twice as wide as the depth of the block you're using. If your wall will be 1, 2, or 3 courses high, make the trench 4 inches deep, enough to bury half the first course. For a wall that's 4 or more courses high, make the trench 8 inches deep. To prepare the base, remove loose debris and add an optional layer of filter fabric. Place 2 inches of aggregate or sand in the bottom of the trench. Rake smooth and tamp to compact, then check the surface in both directions with a carpenter's level. If the total height of your wall will exceed 4 courses, add a second layer of aggregate to increase the depth of the base to 4 inches. Rake, tamp, and compact the second layer. You can finish the leveling pad with a thin layer of sand if you're using paver base. Check the level. Now you're ready to lay the base course of block.